Man, just wanted to get some time today to go out here and run some sprints and get it in. Just warming up, and I tweaked my like in between my Achilles tendon and my calf muscle. Like I warmed it up. I was good to go. But as soon as I took off running, man, just started feeling something during my warm up. So we'll see how it goes.
Right now he's sitting in county, and I'm praying for you, big dog. That real. With my partner Ken and my cousin, all my homies. Grew up fist fighting, bumping tricks, talking greasy homies. Pressure poke that blind. Couldn't tell me about the cross. When that boozy hit the streets, everybody said it all. And I remember, I'm in the back of class, my toe flashing them dollars. Talking how the dope game got him sitting proper, dunking powder. We keep flagging hard, he would tweak it. 2 we later, goons caught him, popped around him, left him body lit. Like that, I should be dead. You chose to should have died in my sin. Now my cousin's out here bugging, my brother out here thugging. That's why I'm hollering Jesus, man. All my partners struggling. To the party, pride and Hennessy done got it started. Now he gone in the system, can you save them all out? To the party, no face now, a fight broken, they jail behind drugs in the money. Gone doing 20. To the party, pride and Hennessy done got it started. Now he gone in the system, can you save them all out? To the party, you think a drill out you? Rick Roasting in the streets, gon' get your kill out you.
Dear leader party, I'ma come the hardest regardless. I'm a beast in streets and I'm heartless. I don't look for trouble cause I started, I don't care. I'm about mine, yeah, I got kids, don't trip, I got mine. I'm a product of the struggle, coming hard times. What you talk about?
Just finished hitting that hill. See it? It's real down there. Say, let me be real with you real quick. If you're trying to get to a goal, ain't none of it going to be easy just in general. But it will get easier, and as you improve, you'll have to push yourself a little bit harder. I just ran sprints up and down my street. I don't even know how many I ran. But one thing that hit me while I was running was that I used to couldn't do this. Like I used to struggle so much with, moving my body up and down the street. Like there was no way I could run back to back and still go do this. And I was talking to one of my partners the other day, and it's the reality that we face is that, man, we've been so hard trying to drop weight or build muscle that one of the things that we forgot is that we like actually getting in shape. Like we're getting in better physical shape, and we can do more and run more and work out longer. We have more endurance, and that's just been a blessing overall. So you might not be where you want to be right now, but keep pushing and you will get there. It's frustrating, it's hard, it's difficult, but don't give up. Keep going. It's raining and it's cold. I did not want to, but I did. So keep at it, folks.